Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the slide rail in your washer's pedestal. The reason why you might have to do this is because the slide rail is damaged or broken, causing the drawer not to slide in properly. For this repair, all we'll need is a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this will be the washer that we're using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. We're going to pull it out, and now we're going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver in order to remove the screw on the side here. Now that we have those two screws out, we can just pull the entire drawer out like so. And set it off to the side. So now I'm going to push the slide rail back in, and once it gets to a certain point it's going to stop, and you're going to need to lift it slightly out in order to push it all the way back, and then you'll have access to the screw right here. And we're going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver to unscrew that screw. And now to get it out, all we have to do is just pull it out from where it was screwed in, and just pull it back towards myself, and that should release the back piece from where it's clipped in. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement slide rail. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now you'll see on the back of our slide rail we have this raised up part with a slot in it, and now what we have to do is that slot has to line up with this top tab right here. So we're going to do that now, and we're just going to set that up, push it in, and once we do that, it should line up our screw hole in the front, and now we can just screw everything back in. And make sure it's nice and secure. And now we have to get the slide rail back out. So again, I'm just going to pull out a little bit on it, and that'll now freely slide back and forth. So now we'll pull both the slide rails out all the way, and we'll set our drawer down on the slide rails. And you're just going to want to make sure that this lip here goes over the slide rails, and pull it until the holes line up on both sides. And same thing with this side. We're just going to move our slide rail back into place, and we'll screw it in. And now you can close up the drawer, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.